In this video, we will have a brief introduction about receipt module of file management system. As we have understood, the receipt section deals with the receiving, registering, or diarizing of the incoming correspondences, also called as DAC, followed by their acknowledgement, distribution to concerned authorities in the channel of submission, and subsequent actions on them, like forwarding for further processing, putting up in file, closing and more. When a DAC is received in the organization, it is first diarized, and subsequently a unique number is generated against it, effectively transforming it to a receipt. For further action, when it is put up in file, it becomes a correspondence. So, let's explore receipt module now. To access various options of receipt module, click on the hamburger menu to expand the navigation panel and click on Receipts. Alternatively, users can just click on Receipt icon to access the same. First, browse and diarize. This link provides option to diary the received DAC in the organization, which we will see in detail in diarization video. Next is Inbox. Clicking on this link will display list of all the receipts that have been received by the user from other officials. It contains various details of the receipts like their computer number, receipt number, sent by, sent on and many more. Also, actions like put in a file, send back, copy and various others can be taken from here. Subfolders of Inbox can also be created for segregating and organizing the receipts of inbox based on category of the subject, or priority, or due date, or any other criteria as per user requirement. Again, we would be dealing with detailed features and actions of inbox in the upcoming videos. Created. Clicking on this link will display list of all the diarized receipts that still require action on them, like forwarding, put in a file, etc. Sent. Clicking on this link will display list of all the receipts that have been forwarded by the user to other officials of the organization or outside organization. We will explore more about sent folder in detail in upcoming videos. Then we have initiated actions. This will allow user to search all the actions initiated on receipts by him or her or other users in his section using various search parameters and take required action after reviewing them, that is, add comment or close them. Acknowledgement. This will display list of all the generated or created acknowledgements that are waiting for their final dispatch to the sender of DACs. These acknowledgements are generated while diarizing a receipt from created list or from sent list and then saved for send later. Closed. Closed with me will display list of all the receipts closed by the user with various search options. User will be able to reopen any closed receipt whenever required from this list. Also, if role is provided, then the closed receipts of other users in hierarchy or in the organization can also be seen by clicking on Closed by Other, Hierarchy, or Closed by Other, All. However, user will not be able to reopen receipts closed by others. Also, to allow easy and one-click access, few of the most visited actions for receipt module can be found on the top in quick access menu bar, like Create to Diary a DAC, View Inbox, Sent List, and Advanced Search for Receipt. Now, let's proceed to our next video.